Hey people, welcome to this twist. And right here at the Home Depot, they still got the buy more, save more. And it's save 150 when you spend $4.99, save 80 when you spend $3.99, or save 30 when you spend $2.99. And here's the tools. They have the M18 fuel half-inch hammer drill driver kit for $2.99. They got the M18 fuel 3/8 compact impact wrench with friction ring, $2.19. The M18 fuel D-handle jigsaw is $1.99. They got the M18 fuel pack out 2.5 gallon wet dry vac for $1.99. The M18 fuel half-inch hammer drill driver, $1.69. The M18 rear handle circular saw, 7 1/4, $2.69. The regular circular saw, $2.49. M18 fuel, and then M18 fuel 4.5 inch, 5-inch grinder, paddle switch, no lock, $1.99. The M18 fuel surge 1/4 inch hydraulic driver, $1.69. You got the M18 half-inch mid-torque impact wrench with friction ring, $2.49. M18 fuel compact router, $1.99. M18 fuel drywall screw gun, $1.59. You got the M18 fuel oscillating multi-tool, $2.29. The M18 fuel sawzall reciprocating saw, $1.99. The M18 fuel hacksaw one-handed recip saw, $1.59. And here's some other deals. The M12 fuel surge 1/4 inch hex, $1.79. That's for the kit. I'm not sure what size is that battery. Then you got the M12 fuel 3/8 stubby, $1.79. The 3-inch compact cutoff tool is $1.39. The 1/4 inch right angle die grinder is $1.89. The oscillating multi-tool is $1.49. The high-speed ratchet is $1.79. That's a 3/8. It's the 29-piece Shockwave Impact Duty Red Helix titanium drill bit set is $99.97. And the 8-piece multi-tool blade kit is $69.97.
Some good deals on there.
Yeah.
If we can help at all, let me know.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
You got this rasping jab saw right here for $7.97. It's got this side slide utility knife, also $7.97. These things are fat. They got a thick handle. Hard plastic handle. 1988 for this 16-piece spade bit set by Diablo, the Speed Demons. And they go from 1/4 all the way to 1.5 inches. They got this Husky 3-piece socket extension set, $152. I'm just gonna go ahead and get it for $150. Was $588, it says. The Fastback Hawkbill folding knife, $14.97. Got this Husky utility knife, 2 blades, $10.97. The Fastback flip pocket knife, $14.97. The 2-pack of the Fastbacks, $19.97. Yeah, here's the Husky Connect 22-inch 2-drawer set. Oh, it doesn't have any dividers. dividers. The other one was missing it, so I guess somebody took it. So for $39.97, you get this 2-drawer Husky Connect. Yeah, a lot of this stuff right here just at regular price, like this bid set right here. It's a 40-piece Shockwave Impact Duty driver bid set for $19.97. It just has your regular bids in there. They also have this Shockwave drill bid set for $24.97. Impact Duty Red Helix, and this 6-piece screwdriver set right here by Milwaukee, $22.97. Also regular price, I believe. I'm not sure if that's the sale price, but they got the tri-lobe handles. And here at Lowe's, I found this Marshalltown. It's a duffel bag with a drywall toolkit inside of there. So it's zip tied, but I'm gonna go ahead and buy this for $17.17, down from $49.96, and I'll show you guys what's inside of it here when I get a chance. And also here they have this for $14.98. They have this set of utility knives, and it also comes with extra blades in there, so you can refill them as you need them. Here's a look at the back, and yeah, for $14.97, that's good. This set right here of ratcheting wrenches is for $99.98. I think that's a little bit expensive for these, especially they don't go that high up in size. I think they only go up to 18 in metric. And the SAE, I'm not really sure, but it's a total of 20. And it's I don't know if you guys like this deal. I personally don't, but for $99.99. And then here's the screwdriver set for $19.98. I believe it's a 10-piece. And here you got the measuring tapes. And here's some other wrenches for $24.98. And I think they come both in metric or SAE, whichever one. They're 11-piece. The finish is kind of it's weird because it's not like really chrome. It's like I don't know, but it's like bumpy. You can actually feel it. There's the sizes that it goes up to. And I mean, just some regular combination wrenches from Craftsman. And there you have it, the sizes for the metric one as well. And over here they got a blade for $7.98. I believe that's a 7 1/4 size. And here for $84.98, they got the torque wrenches. They went back to regular price. This one is $95 for the 1/2 inch, but they didn't have any 1/2 inch left. These are the same ones that were on sale during Black Friday and Christmas and all that for $49, I believe. I guess they're back to regular price now. Hey people, welcome to This Too Is. And just real quick, I'm going to show you what came inside of this Marshalltown USA bag, duffel bag that I got at Lowe's for $17.17. And it's a drywall toolkit in here. And I actually ended up getting it for $15 because when I took it up to the register, it didn't have a price tag on the actual bag. So it was a big old scene. And when it all finished out, they gave it to me for 15 bucks. So here's in the inside. Let's take a look inside the bag. It has pockets all around. 1, 2, 3 on that side and 3 on this side. It also has them on the outside. So it has at least 12 pockets. And then it comes with the shoulder strap. So it has the shoulder strap as well. And then what came inside is this little pan, so you can mix your mud or whatever you're gonna lay down. And then you get this taping knife right here, 8-inch. You get a 10-inch taping knife, 12-inch taping knife. So that's already 3 taping knives. And then you get this it's called a bucket scoop. You get that as well. And then you get this thing right here. So all you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including the pan, is 6 pieces inside. And for $17.17, I thought that was a decent deal. And now I can add the rest of my stuff that I use for drywall and stuff in here. I can keep it all together now. So that was also a plus. And then you guys also see me pick this up right here. This little 3-piece socket extension set from Husky. So all it is just I guess I'll say it's about a 6-inch on the 1/4 and 3/8, and then like a 4-inch on the half. Oh, 5 on the half is a 5-inch, and on the other 2 is 6-inch. So I didn't have time to open that. I was gonna compare them to these other extensions, but I don't want to make the video super long. And then I also got this right here. It's a bolt nut and screw gauge, just so you can tell the sizes of whatever screws and bolts you're using or need. And it's pretty neat, man. You know, if you guys want me to show you how to use this thing, just put it down in the comments in case you guys don't know how already. But it's pretty easy once you know. You know, before, when you don't know, then it's a little different. But once you know, it'll be pretty easy. And then also, guys, stay tuned. I picked up this this Husky tool cart right here. Actually, that's what this box is right here underneath. So I'm going to be putting that together here pretty soon and filling it up. And when I'm done, I'll give you guys a tour of it. But yeah, I just picked that one up too. All right, guys. Well, keep on doing what you do. Don't let nobody say you can't do anything. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next go around. Bye. And with that being said, people, if you like talking about tools, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.